Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites. Open Wallet to verify Apple Pay card and default payment. Once done, launch Uber Eats and sign in. Make sure the app is updated. Next, tap your profile or menu to access payment methods. This is the first actionable step, so you're ready to attach Apple Pay. Make sure Face ID or Touch ID is active for quick authorizations. If your device is a watch, pair and confirm Apple Pay is enabled there. Now you'll add Apple Pay directly inside the app. Go to Payment, choose Add Payment Method, and select Apple Pay. Uber Eats reads your wallet card, so select the one you want. Confirm the billing address and name match what's stored in Wallet to avoid declines. Authorize the addition with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. This step links the payment securely. Once linked, make Apple Pay your default if you want faster checkouts later, which reduces taps at order time. Finish by selecting Apple Pay at checkout and reviewing your subtotal, delivery fee, and tip, then tap Pay. You'll confirm with Face ID or Touch ID and the transaction processes almost instantly. If the payment declines, make sure the card and wallet is active, billing address matches Uber, and you have network access. If problems persist, restart the app, re-authenticate Apple Pay in Wallet, and contact your bank or Apple support. One quick troubleshooting tip: toggling airplane mode off then on can clear transient network errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.